Hello and welcome to this tutorial. We'll be talking about how to undo unstaged changes. So these basically changes that we've done to a file and they have not yet been committed to the staging area. I'm going to create two files here. So the first one being in the Omega folder, first one being app.css, and then the second one being app.js, right? Just to see two changes, and then probably in app.js, or I'm going to say I am well, or just an alert that says I am well, right? This is JavaScript. That's it. So the first command I'm going to run so that we're able to understand what is happening is if I run git status, sorry about that, if I run git status, I'm going to see we have two files, the app.js and app.css. okay, these are unstaged because it's red in color. I'm going to clear that. So I'm going to run the checkout command and the name of the files so that we just undo whatever has been done. So if I run git checkout, then app.js, check out what happens when I press enter. So app.js did not match any files. So the reason is I've not done the proper extension. Okay, so git checkout, it's in the Omega folder, and then app.js. See what happens. Boom. Check out Omega app.js. Okay, so I'm going to navigate into it. Situations like this do occur, so do not be in any worry because it happens. Okay, so I'm going to clear since we are in the Omega directory, and then I'll just type in git checkout, then app.js. Boom. Did not match any files known to git. I don't know what's happening, but let me go and just type I am well, I am not well in this one. Let's see. Then probably also delete these two files. Okay, let's just leave it there. So git status, yeah, it has seen we have modified text.css. Clear, and then we do git checkout, then test.txt, then see what happens. It restores it back to what it was when it was last committed. So that's how we undo unstaged changes in modified files. And probably the reason why these two are not committing is because they have not been committed yet to the repository. Is still unstaged files. So we can restore every file by just doing, okay, so let me do this. So git commit, let me commit those files so that you understand. First, let's add everything. Okay, so git status should add those two files. Then I'm going to do git commit with a message that says adding JS and CSS to v3. That's a new commit, and then clear. Then if I want to undo this now, just to show you that it still works, I'll just do git checkout and then app. Let me do a new change because this one is so alert I am not well, right? So if I come here and say git status, it should be the only one pending. If I clear, it's going to do git checkout app.js. Boom, should take away the change. So the reason why it was not working with us before is because this had not yet been committed. So checkout just takes it back to whatever it was before, like it removes the modified changes. Okay, if I still return the alert and say I am not well. Okay, I want to show you how it is. And here as well, I type I am not well. Okay, because it's a text file. Remember, these two changes are not yet committed. Okay, so it's modified. I'm going to clear to get. So if I want to revert both app.js and text file back to what it was originally, I can just do git checkout and a period. That's it. You see, text is already taken back to whatever it was, and the alert of I'm not well is already taken away. So that's how you can revert back and do unstaged changes in several files. I can also delete a file, an unstaged file, whenever a change has happened, and we can use the git clean command. Let's see how that one works. I'm going to create a new file here in Omega, and it says fax.css, and I'm going to do actually, let me just do not CSS, sorry. Let's delete this, or let's rename it's fax.text, just to simplify this, because I need to do a lot of syntax with the other file formats. I've created this new file. If I'm going to do git status here, it proves to you that it is unstaged because it's red. After that, I'm going to use the git clean command. That's git clean, and I want to give the flag of dn so that it alerts to me what it's going to do. Okay, we'll remove fax.txt. Okay, because that's the one that is not yet staged. Okay, not staged, it's not yet committed. So this is how you can delete. It's not yet deleted because it's just given me a notification that it will remove fax.txt, because that's the recent after the last commit, that's the recent unstaged work. Then to remove it completely, I can just use the flag of df. So I'll do git clean, then df, boom, removing fax.txt. If I do git status, there's nothing to commit or nothing to be staged. You see, nothing has been staged. So that's how we are able to undo staged changes, unstaged changes, if we just want to go back to what we had before we move at the last time that we committed our changes. That's it. See, in the next tutorial we'll be learning about how to undo staged changes.